You say you got a girl. Yeah, you want me.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Tori. So today I am doing a simple spring makeup look, and don't mind my hair. I know it looks really silly and everything. Once I have makeup on it, it will look a little bit normal. I had my hair looking way worse than this earlier, and I know that's crazy, but I promise, like, we'll fix it. But anyways, today I'm doing a simple spring look, and this video is a collab with my friend Kiera, and she has the cutest accent, and she's so pretty, and I already know that her look is gonna be super duper cute, so I'll make sure to leave her link in the description. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna chat a little bit, but after that I'm just gonna do like video and music and everything, just to make this like not super long. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started. Alright guys, so I just primed my eyes, and I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette today. I'm trying to get into using this palette more, just because like I don't think I use it enough. And today's look is going to be super simple. Like, I'm not going to talk through way too much, because I want it to be a simple look. Fallout. But I'm just going in with the third color on the top row as my transition, and it's called Silk Cream, and I use this color all the time. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of creamsicle, and I'm gonna put that slightly under the color before, but just like a little, because this I just want to be like a super simple springtime look, because I don't do super simple looks very often. So like I don't even want to use lashes today. Like I just want simple, and like I don't know. I'm trying to like tone it down a little bit, because I do super dramatic looks all the time, and like people can't really recreate those and everything. So we're just toning it down. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush, and I'm going to put on a little bit of the shade Jax, and it's this really deep burgundy color, and I'm just gonna put that on the outer corner and into the crease slightly, and then I'll blend it out. I'm gonna take the shade Faint and Little Lady, and I'm just gonna use my finger, and I'm gonna apply that on the cut crease. I'm just gonna do some simple like face makeup too. I'm using the Milani Prime Perfection Primer. So what I kind of wanted to talk to you guys about was I don't know, I've just had like an interesting past couple of weeks, and like I don't know, I've just been going through a bunch of crap, and I'm like trying to not let things get to me, but like it's really hard. This hurts so bad. Anyways, it's like really hard when there's just like a bunch of things. Like if it was just like one or two things, I think I could deal with it easier. But I just have like a bunch of crap going on, and like I don't know what to do anymore, because like I don't know, like people are just getting on my nerves, and I'm just trying to get to the school year, and I'm just like trying to not let it bother me. But it's really hard to not let things bother you, especially when like they just keep being brought up, and I don't know, I'm just like really sick of people and stuff. Yeah, I'm just gonna put on probably a little bit of the Pro Glow, just a little bit, because I really don't feel like putting on a bunch of makeup right now, and I'll be back with you guys. Alright, so I went in with my L'Oreal True Match Lumi, and because it's just like more of my shade, and now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Makeup Revolution concealer. And okay, so like I'm sorry I don't seem like I'm in a super good mood. It's because like I'm kind of not a little bit. Like I'm really tired, and like I don't really feel like filming right now, but like I know I need to film this video for you guys. And if you guys came from her channel, like, I don't want you guys to think that I'm always down in the dumps and I'm like but I'm not. I just have a lot going on these past couple of weeks. Like, I had a lot going on for probably like the last month with like other people wise, and this week people are just being like rude and everything, and I'm just like over it. Like, I'm so sick of like mean people. And like, if you, I addressed this on a few of my other social medias, but like, if you're gonna be mean or you have something mean to say, like, literally keep it to yourself. Like, I don't want to hear it. I'm so tired of like people just being assholes. Like, I'm just gonna flat out say that, because it's ridiculous. Like, if you have a problem with something I do or something about me, like, what, like, I didn't do anything to anyone. It's just like, it's stressing me out really bad because I take stuff to heart too much, and I try and be like a really good person and do my best and everything. I'm just sick of getting crap. So I'm gonna blend this, and I'm gonna go set my face, and I'll be back with you guys to like finish off my face. So for bronzer, I use the Butter Bronzer, and for blush, I'm going to be using the Ulta Velvet Blush, and this is in Honey Bunny, and this is such a pretty shade, guys. Like, it has a little bit of shimmer in it, so it's like a beautiful flush to the cheeks. I'm trying to like be all happy and everything just because I don't want to like be all sad. I don't like being sad. It's not fun. So I don't know if I want to do anything on the lower lash line. I mean, I guess I will, just so it like ties everything together. I'm just gonna go in with those two transition shades, and I'm gonna pinch my brush that I used earlier and just lightly put those against the under lash line, just so I can add a little bit of color under there so it's not too plain. And then I'm gonna use the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara on my bottom lashes. So for the inner corner highlight, I'm gonna go in with Beam and In Light from the Jaclyn Hill palette, just on my inner corner for a little brightness, just so it's not so dull. And then for regular highlight, I'm going to use, what is this? I'm going to use my Laura Geller Peach Glow highlighter. That's not my highlight brush, it would have been bad. So I'm just going to pack it on my brush and apply it to the cheekbones, and the nose, and the chin, and the cupid's bow. Alright guys, so that's the look. For my lips, I used MAC Velvet Teddy and a ColourPop gloss. And that's pretty much everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you liked this simple look, let me know. And I can do more simple looks or dramatic looks depending on what you guys prefer. Make sure you go check out Kiara's channel. I really hope I'm saying that right. If I'm not, I'm so sorry. But make sure to check out her channel. I'll leave it in the description. She's so cute. And her accent is adorable. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Say, 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 hey, hey.